Hello, this is another doll that I made, oak hand sculpted doll. This is Celestine or Celestine. She's a very tall dolly, and her hair is a mix of white and blonde. Just some soft wool or yarn. And I made her dress. And her shoes have gold on them. So that's another dolly made by me. Take care. Bye bye.